got me a 90-degree magnetic. I guess got myself two things in here. Got myself a magnetic 90 degrees, but it's like a weird side angle. I've already unboxed these and tested them for you guys. The 90-degree normal. Now I'm going to be using these on the Steam Deck because it only has one USB port. Don't really want to break it. And these claim to handle 40 gigabytes a second, whatever they claim. Who knows? You can't even test that. But probably didn't have my tripod for this video. But at least we can check to see if it's super fast charging, because if it's doing that, most likely it's going to charge the Steam Deck with no problem, since it only handles fast charging. Now these are at a weird angle. There's only one in this one. That's weird. The other one fell out too. Magnetizes to the top of the tin, which the tin is really nice. Kind of reminds me of an old Altoids tin, but gold. And they both look the same. Link will be in the description below of these. They're kind of highly priced, but if you want them right now, and you're gonna have to pay it. So it comes with 2 extra tips. The other one does not. Comes with 2 extra tips. I think it says like 40 pins on there. The only thing bad with magnetic is if you get a little bit of rust in them, that becomes a problem. So this is, I need it at an angle like that, because when it's charging in the special case that I have, this is going to be perfect. So let's see. Pull that off of there. That pulled off of there pretty easy. I didn't mean to pull that off. I was trying to pull the plastic off. So there's the pin that it comes with, the tip. Now that does not rotate. It's going to be sideways like this. If you want a normal... Oh, that was cool. You guys got to see that. I didn't. Get off there. If you're on normal 90 degrees, there's your normal 90, which that is the magnetic part, and that's what your USB plugs into. We're going to be testing on this phone, which is fast charging, and then the phone I'm using right now supports super fast. I'll put you guys down for a minute. Gotta unplug some of this. I really need my tripod back. So this plugs into your bottom of your phone, it's USB-C, or it plugs into the Steam Deck, which is what I am going to be using it for. It pushes in there kind of rough, but you feel it click in. Now I normally use these to charge my phone, and they don't push in that hard. I'd kind of rather have it push in as hard as this one did, because it ain't gonna come out accidentally. Now if we come in from the side, clipped right in there. It feels nice and strong. So now you want to plug in a normal USB-C into the end of that. There is an indicator light at the top. Only comes on when it's charging. And it will look blue to you guys, but it's really white, kind of gray. And it says fast charging. Let's see if we put it on the other way, if it still says fast charging. Fast charging. That's not super fast charging, but that's fast charging is how fast the Steam Deck charges. So right there, it should be charging your Steam Deck with no problems. Now if we plug it into the phone I'm on right now, which is what we're going to do, it says super fast charging. That means it can handle the Steam Deck, should be, with no problems. Just kind of twist this around and see if it comes undone, because magnetic cords have a problem with it's still going, and I gotta twist it all and kind of see. If you twist the normal one, like that comes straight out. When you twist it, it'll get off just a little bit and it'll quit charging. This one stays on there pretty well. Of course it does that. It's also supposed to transfer data, which we will also check that. Okay, you guys are on a totally different phone. Hopefully it's coming in good. I went ahead and did some testing just to make sure this ain't a flop video. But put the adapter into a phone that supports super fast charging, which is a faster charging than what the Steam Deck even supports. So if you try to super fast charge, whatever, super fast charge your Steam Deck, it actually lowers it down to the 45 watts, which this can go clear up to 65 watt, I guess. I don't even know the specs anymore. To me, they almost charge the same, fast charging and super fast charging. But, of course, you go with the one that's fastest if you're wanting your phone charged up in a quick manner. So I went ahead and plugged that in to that 90 degree. It has the extra buttons. It says super fast charging. And it goes away because it's charging it. Let's make sure it does it if it's upside down. Comes up with the same color on the bottom. Super fast charging right there, if you guys can see that. So that's great. That's great. So let's see if this 90 degree. No, don't do that. This 90 degree works. Again, sorry, I do not have a tripod. You guys just have to be banged around on this video. Super fast charging. You heard it. Oh, you almost got to see it. Just trust me. I said super fast charging. Let's go the other way with it. It said it. Will it show it? Super fast charging. Cool. Okay. So I'm sure it'll super fast charge the whole time. I really don't have to sit here and show you guys. So this is also supposed to be a data cable. So I got a stick that just has some GTA files on it for me doing story mode on the Steam Deck. I'll try to make content out of that. You know how hard it is with a video game that quite isn't rated for all audiences. Okay, I'm gonna plug this into the bottom. Whoa, guess it did itself. Right away it comes up, says USB connected. That's my beautiful girlfriend. And look, we can open it. Let's see if I can read what's on it. GTA story mode. They're all there. Cool. Look, trim Trevor's balls. I already got it. Let's see if he'll play something off of there. Which I would. Sweet, it's pulling it right off that. I don't want to pull that and corrupt the file. But I do need to see if the other one works. Unmount. I call that the flip flash drive. It's a pretty cool flash drive. You guys should check it out in my video. It's USB-C. Then when you flip it, it's USB-A. And it's metal. It does get a bit hot and transfers only at like 100. But it's still pretty nice. I think it's like 1 terabyte. They make smaller ones, but okay. Push that in. Has a really nice firm click to it. Let's see if this one works. Popped right up. I'm gonna pull that off to show you guys that it's. Yes. I know you don't like that. You gotta unmount it. Okay. So as I plug this in, plug it in right now. Pops right up. GTA story mode. There's all my stuff again with that 90 degrees. We'll click on this one, a different one this time. Can't play video. It has been moved. Then why are you playing it? Bash his head into the wall. Feels like I just played this one. There you go. So I assume it will do everything everybody wants it to do. Especially charging the Steam Deck, which a lot of people are buying this kind of stuff right now for the Steam Deck. I'll just clip right on there. I just unmounted it. Why did I do that? Quick charge, fast charge, super fast charge, and it will do data. If it did this, most likely it's going to work plugging into a computer. There we go. Thanks for watching.